let's learn about octal number system and hexadecimal number system. We previously talked about binary and decimal. In binary, the base is 2, which are 0 and 1. And in decimal, the base is 10, which goes 0 to 9. Start with octal number system. In octal is 8. And the symbols are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. So the symbols are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So A will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So now let's learn how to convert from decimal to octal number system and also from decimal to hexadecimal number system. We want to convert 129 from decimal, which is base 10, to octal, which is base 8. So to convert from decimal to octal, we follow the same process as converting from decimal to binary, keeping in mind the base is 8. So we keep dividing by the base until the quotient is smaller than the base. So we divide 129 by 8, we get 16 with remainder 1. We divide by 8 again, we get 2 with remainder 0. So now since 2 is less than the base, we can stop here. So 129 in octal will be 2, 0, 1. Convert 129 to hexadecimal number system. So to convert 129 to hex, in hex the base is 16, so we divide by 16 by the base, by 16 with remainder 1. So now since 8 is smaller than the base, so we can stop here. So 129 in hex will be equal to, we take the quotient and the remainder will be 81. Let's convert from decimal to octal and then the decimal number to hex and see if we can get the same answer. So starting by converting 201 back to decimal. So as we learned previously, this is the 0th location, this is the first location, and this is the second location. So now we have the base is 8, which is the difference here. So we can take 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, and 8 to the power 2, and multiply it by this number. 2 times 8 to the power 2 plus 0 times 8 to the power 1 plus 1 times 8 to the power 0. We can get rid of the 0. 8 to the power 2 is 64, times 2 is 128, plus 1 times 8 to the power 0 is 1. So this will give us 129. Now let's convert the hex back to decimal and see if we can get 129 as well. So if we take 81 base 16 and convert it back to decimal, we follow the same procedure or process. So this is the 0th location and this is the first location. So now we have the base is 16. So we can say 16 to the power 0 and this one 16 to the power 1. Now we can convert it by multiplying 8 times 16 to the power 1 plus 1 times 16 to the power 0. 8 times 16 is 128 plus 1, this will give us 129.